Good afternoon and welcome to the world of innovation and technology. Welcome to the Antares Vision Group booth. In this booth, we have demonstrated our cutting edge technology for track and trace, serialization and tamper evident, which is going the 300 cartons per minute. And also a new technology is about automatic aggregation unit. So these two systems we have demonstrated, but as Antares Vision Group is headquartered in Travagliato, Brescia, Italy, we have three companies in India, and recently last year we have started our manufacturing unit. It's a 80,000 square feet facility in Electronics City in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, where we build, we assemble and manufacture, and also doing engineering for latest track and trace, cost effective but value added track and trace systems. The second division that we have is our inject for injectable in inspection machines for injectable portfolio that we do cosmetic inspection, visual inspection, as well as the CCIT technology for the leak detection. Antares Vision Group is the only technology company where you have the various kind of inspection technology, one largest technology portfolio. And third is our smart data based on the artificial intelligence. So we are really glad to be part of this exhibition, and we look forward to meet people and serve the Indian pharmaceutical industry. Thank you very much.